Hello friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Take a moment and subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. Okay, so I have said a few times one of my favorite color combinations is black, gold, and white. So I have been getting a lot of inboxes like, hey, what's your favorite home decor style? Where do you live? So I thought, why not just answer a get to know me video while we look at one of my favorite home decor color combinations. So, okay, first off, we're gonna start with this picture because I absolutely love this dining room, but just look at this. This is seating for, 14, 16 people. Goodness, this is like one of those rooms when you entertain a ton. Okay, so I got a little off track. I'm sorry. Let me start. The first question that I got was, hey, how old are you? So to answer your question, I actually just turned 40 in January, January 19th to be exact. So I am a Capricorn. Someone else wanted to know where I'm located. I am located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Oh my goodness, I keep getting distracted by these pictures because I just love this color combination. And one day I'm going to be bold enough to get like a really black wall. I love that. Okay, someone asked, hey, is there a Mr. And Then There Was Style? What does he do? So there is. My husband is actually a jazz musician. Very odd, I know, but that's what he does for a living and that's how we are able to live. So someone else asked, what's your favorite home decor style? And honestly, I'm obsessed with home decor, so it's really hard to just pick one. If I had to, it would be almost like a transitional glam. I have to have something kind of glam and blingy, but I love the clean lines and cuts of the transitional style, so to probably do that. I do love modern organic as well. I love Art Deco. I'm not going to start listing stuff I love because we'll be here the whole night. As far as the exterior of a home, I love a good luxury Mediterranean look for, how the house looks on the outside is gorgeous. Favorite food. My favorite food are tacos. Look at this wallpaper. You guys, it's like a crocodile type print. Oh, I love that. That is gorgeous. Comment down below if you guys like that. That's the glam that I love. Okay, sorry once again for getting distracted. I told you guys, I'm just like a cat. Like if I see something shiny, that's all it takes. Favorite food, tacos. Of course, I love tacos. I love birria tacos. I love good American style tacos with tons of lettuce and cheese. I just love tacos. Another favorite food I have is cheese. I am obsessed with cheese, and not just your regular, cheddar type cheese or whatever. I love trying different types of cheese. Like right now, I am on this smoked Gouda and Havarti kick. So every evening, I pour myself just a small little glass of wine, and I have my cheese and crackers, and it's seriously one of the best parts of my day. I just love cheese. So I want to get to the point to where I'm really able to know what cheeses pair with which wines. If you guys are looking for a cheese recommendation, definitely try Havarti. It's very smooth. It has this buttery, silky texture, and it is so good. Seriously, you will eat your head off. Okay, let's see here. Dream vacation. I will probably say Greece or Bali. But honestly, we're to the point now that we travel a lot just due to my husband's job. He plays in different cities and states, so we do travel, but most of that is U.S. travel, which I don't want to offend anyone. I'm not saying that traveling internationally is better than traveling domestically, but I'm just saying as far as a dream vacation, it's definitely Greece or Bali. So yeah, someone wanted to know, I love this look too, especially those two gold coffee table accents. I feel like those globes make the whole room. What do you think? Okay, so dream city to live, or where would I really like to live? So I'm gonna answer that two ways. If you ask my husband, it's New York City. He loves the culture, the vibe, the spirit, the energy there. Like I told you guys, I'm born and raised in Oklahoma City. Okay, this is my favorite room ever. I love this room, from the Sputnik chandeliers to the black walls to the gold trim to the white furniture to the accents of gold everywhere. This is one of my favorite rooms. Okay, once again, I got distracted. I think this is a cute little office. This is really cute. But yeah, so if you ask my husband, it's definitely New York City, but we've already talked. I'm not a New York City type girl. Like, I have to have my own home and a little bit of space, and you just don't get that in New York City without paying a ton for it. So that's a no. So my dream location to live would probably be Savannah, Georgia. I think it's gorgeous there. I forgot the type of trees, but they have these trees that are just beautiful. I think you guys may know what I'm talking about. I'll try to find a picture and post it on here, but yeah. But I will say, Babe has made some really great connections. He's doing a lot of production work that keeps him in LA a lot. So now there is a chance that we will be moving to LA just for strictly a professional move. It's not like, we're out there chasing a dream or anything. He already has his job laid out for him. It's just that it works better if he is actually there and he doesn't have to hop on a plane all the time. So am I excited for that? Honestly, not really. Am I happy about that? Honestly, not really. California, Los Angeles specifically, is a lot more expensive than Oklahoma is. He has a lot of friends and connections there. Oh, wow, that's a gorgeous room. Goodness, look at those houndstooth chairs. It's really giving me like transitional vibes. I love it. But yeah, so I don't really know anyone there. So it's not something I'm really looking forward to. However, if it's for work, it has to happen. Okay, one thing I want to learn how to do better is either, like I said, pair wine with different things and learn more about wines and champagnes. Or I would love to almost like be a really good homemaker. I know that may sound crazy, but I picked up this item from Amazon so I can churn our own butter. I don't know, you guys. Listen, I don't know. I can't explain it. I'm just really obsessed with that kind of thing. So I would love to have the time and patience to really learn how to do that. Let's see. Favorite color? Pink, of course. Favorite holiday? Christmas. I do like giving gifts way more than I like receiving gifts, however. Favorite TV show? Don't really have one. Honestly, we don't watch a lot of TV. When we are like sitting in front of the TV, we're watching YouTube. So much, in fact, that I actually cut our cable off 2 months ago, saving about $150 a month, and I am so excited about that, and we haven't missed it. Not one bit. So very happy about that. And last thing, something I hate. Okay, so I told you I am here in Oklahoma, and one thing I'm just not with, I don't do bugs. I'm sorry. I know they have like their purpose. I get that. It's just their purpose is not by me. I also know that. I'm just not a bug type person. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found this video just a little bit more enlightening about who I am and what I do. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up. I also hope you enjoy this color palette because I love it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.